Hello, in this video we'll do a final review of your portfolio assignment. And so this portfolio assignment is located in Unit 5 along with your exam review. And so if we take a look, your portfolio entries are due Thursday, January 20th. They're worth a total of 50 marks, but more importantly, it'll be turned into 10% of your final grade. So it's a major assignment. And it's an essential assignment. You must submit a portfolio. And so if we take a look, it says, throughout the semester you have reflected on various topics related to the course and saved these reflections as portfolio entries. You should have completed 4 portfolio entries. All of your entries should be saved in one document. So what I'm hoping that you've done throughout the semester is that you have one document with, for example, ENG3E Portfolio as the title, or it could be called something slightly different if you wanted to. But then within that document, you would then have all of your portfolio entries. So you see we use as the title portfolio entry number 1, and then the question is repeated here. You don't have to include the question in your assignment. I'll already know what the questions are, but if you want to, you can. What's most important is that you give each portfolio entry a title based on its number. So we've got portfolio entry number 1, and then the question, and then your answer, and then there's actually a second question in portfolio entry number 1, and then your answer, and then below that you would have portfolio entry number 2, and you'd answer that question, and you'd have portfolio entry number 3 and answer that question, and hopefully you'd have all 4 in one document. Okay. Some of the other requirements that you want to make sure that you follow is, as I said, you want to title each portfolio entry by its number. So portfolio entry number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to have at least 8 sentences when you're answering the questions in each portfolio entry. So when you answer portfolio entry number 1, you have to write at least 8 sentences. When you answer entry number 2, at least 8 sentences. You want to focus on the intended topic. Don't go off topic. Whatever the question is, you want to make sure you're answering it and sticking to it. You want to include specific supporting examples. So sometimes I ask for examples from something in the course. Sometimes I ask you for personal examples or examples from your own life in some way. Make sure that you're writing all of your portfolio entries in your own words, using your own opinions and ideas. None of these entries were meant to be research assignments. They were all meant to be your own thoughts in your own words. So that is most important. If we continue on, you'll see that all 4 portfolio entries are listed here. So you've got the number, the title, you've got a link to go back to the activity where it was originally found. So if you want to go back to the activity and reread the content, if it'll help you answer the question, you can. And then you have the question that was asked in each portfolio entry listed here as well too. So this should help you make sure that you've actually completed all 4 of the entries right here. And then if we take a look at the evaluation, it says the portfolio is a culminating assignment. 1 entry was completed in each unit, so it represents your work from throughout the semester. So you must submit a portfolio. It's an essential assignment, and it's worth 10% of your grade, as we previously mentioned. This is the rubric that I will use to grade your portfolio. So take a look. I'll be looking at your ability to write proper structure and to meet the topic requirements and to stay on topic. I'm going to be checking your spelling and grammar. I'm going to be checking the quality of the opinions that you write in your entries, and I'll be checking your use of evidence. So what examples did you use to back yourself up? And if we continue on, just a reminder here to revise and proofread. So make sure you go over your entries and check your spelling and grammar and make sure they're on topic. And when you're happy with them, you can submit them to the Dropbox, which is right down here at the bottom of the page. If you have any questions about the portfolio assignment, please let me know.